For this experiment, you need some washing up liquid, some vinegar, some food coloring, and some baking powder. First, pour some washing up liquid into the magic shoe. It's not out one minute. Next, pour some vinegar inside the magic shoe to mix with the washing up liquid. Okay, then pour some food coloring into the magic shoe. Oops. Okay, it's like this. And then at last, put some baking powder inside. See? Wow, what a cool experiment. Look at the volcano. It's cool. But you've never seen pink lava, by the way. So, this experiment was like making a cool volcano. Okay. See you next time. Bye-bye.